Hey, you over there with the camera. What? Hey guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. I just woke up and we're gonna go out for breakfast. Cool, everything's closed. And that's not as bright. Oh, I can't even see. We got some food, guys, for breakfast. Alright, what's your rating on that place? I liked it. I give it a 7 or 8. Yeah, probably same for me. Alright guys, so I just drank my energy drink. I'm gonna put my bathing suit on and then we're gonna head down to the beach. Hopefully it's not a repeat of yesterday. Because oh my god, I was freezing, I was cold, I was tired. And right now I'm freezing and tired. What is going on? Well, anyways, we're on the beach. There's like a billion cars here. But we're not allowed to fly drone over a beach.
Yeah. They probably got permission because they're filming their own event.
Oh, well, I'm on the event. Hi, I'm filming the event while it's filming the event. What kind of event is this?
I don't know.
I've never seen something like this. What the heck is going on? Ow, sand, ow, sand, ow, sand, ow, sand. Ow. What the heck is going on? There's a camera right here. Are they filming a movie?
Yeah.
It's cold. Is it cold for you?
Yeah.
Ah! I've never seen so many people in one ocean. Ah! Ah! Oh! That hit my back. Oh, it's so deep. Right here. Ah! Ah! Oh god. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, look how flat it is.
I know.
Look how flat it is right now. Oh, this looks creepy, look.
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh my god, it smells like your medicine out here. Oh my god, look how flat the ocean is right now. Oh, it's cold. Ah! You feel that? It's freezing cold. Oh my god. What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. That was big.
I know.
My. That was so big. This is weird. I've never seen something like this where the ocean is really flat and then
That's tide coming in.
it's starting to get to the point where it's so hot outside it's refreshing to have cold water.
Yeah.
What about you?
Almost.
Oh my, imagine there was a dark cloud in the middle of the sky right now. God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, I fell.
There.
Oh my. Yay. Oh. It's a UFO from Area 51.
That's how the temperature goes up.
Oh, I smell skunk.
Yeah.
Someone's smoking on the beach. Oh! Oh!
That's what happened to me.
Oh! Oh, that really hurt my back. Oh! Oh, that really hurt.
Oh, it is. Right up there.
Oh, that really hurt. Oh! That went in my ear. Oh. What the heck? Can you see this?
Oh, that must have been that chocolate mud thing.
Want to go in there? This is weird. What?
All right, well, what's got here? They got posted signs on both sides. Huh? I can't hear you.
I'm just laying here.
I know, but the sign says do not enter here.
Whoa. Don't look behind you. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Look how weird it looks right now. Look. Look, the water is kind of, what's it called? Mixing with the sky color.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that sky over there.
That looks like they're going to get lightning storm 2 and 4. And it's coming this way. And it's hot and humid, so that means major lightning.
It's not humid though.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, you know what? I don't see any waves all the way over there. Oh god, look how weird it looks right now. Whoa. What?
Being pushed in.
What was that? That's on my GoPro all the way over there. Catch it.
Current will probably take it out. Tiny fishies. Ow. Oh.
Let's go into 10. How much did that hurt?
Oh. 6.
Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm really feeling the buffet right now.
I am too.
The steak, the mashed potatoes, the french fries. I'm going to try the soup.
Go. I'm gonna go get the roast beef first. Now we'll get last. Then chocolate cake again?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get vanilla cake. I'm doing good.
I'm going to get both.
I'm gonna get 2 slices. And then pudding! Chocolate pudding! Okay, sit down. Oh, I feel somewhere in my... Oh my god, it's closer.
Oh my god, look at that. Can we go more this way? So the... No, I meant like in this direction. Like right here. There's no wave. Oh, it's warm. It's really warm. Oh! God, I've never seen like the water this color before. Like it just looks weird. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, that dark is getting that. I was just about to say that dark is getting cloudier. I meant to say that cloud is getting darker. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Isn't there, what is it called? It's like the edge of a storm. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know. I feel what you're talking.
Whoa, it's all brown. Why?
Look how dark the water is.
I know. Now the waves are getting good again.
That one creeped me out.
Why?
It's too black.
What?
Remind me of a flood.
Well, it's not a flood.
I can't.
Okay.
It's too dark.
Oh god, look at this. Well, looks like this is it for the ocean for 2019. Crab. Look at this. And then, wow, that's scary looking. Alright, so we're probably going to leave the beach because that dark cloud.
And the sun is...
And the sun is being covered. Who's beeping their car?
They don't know where the car is. That is.
What?
No wonder it was full of sand.
What?
That's my flip-flop. My other one.
Your flip-flop?
Yeah, it must have fell out when we were carrying it.
Your flip-flop fell out and it stayed here. No one took it.
Got run over. That's the one I finally found. I was like, yeah, it's in the bottom of here.
And now it's in the bottom of the sand.
How's it ten? I was like, I finally found it. And what happens is when you're carrying it like that, it must have fallen out.
I want to climb this. Alright, I did it. Well guys, I just took a shower. My dad's currently in there now, taking his. Yeah guys, got my summer vacation shirt on. And it looks like that was the cloud that we saw was just a dud. Because I just went outside and it's, here I'll show you. Look how nice it looks right now. What is that?
Snow.
No, it's ice. Alright. So, since we left the beach too early, it's only 2 o'clock and we were planning on going to the buffet that we went to last time. I'm really hungry right now, so I'm gonna eat the pizza that he didn't eat. Because the buffet doesn't open until 4, so we have to wait like 2 hours, and I can't wait 2 hours because I'm really hungry and I need something to eat. Ow! I hit my head on the laptop. So since the buffet doesn't open till 4 and it's 2:40, we still have almost an hour and a half. So we're gonna go on the boardwalk to waste some time. We really should have stayed at the beach because it's all nice and it's not sunny right now, but how far is the buffet? 8 blocks. Alright, we're gonna go into the boardwalk to see if the picnic table is still under the boardwalk from last time. You're going so slow. Yep, the picnic table's still under there. I don't know. It's all sandy. Actually, it's not in the middle.
It's not right there either.
Yeah, what is that?
Cigarette pack.
Oh,
Oh, good. I got a cigarette.
ow. How has it been a month since we were here last time? Oh wow, that's really, really far. It's the same kind of, is this the same Harmony? Is that the same bag we saw last time?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. Nothing much changes here.
Been here a month. Well, just think I found my flip-flop.
Alright guys, we made it to the buffet that we were at last month. And I really liked it.
Very sore legs.
Yeah, we've walked quite a distance to get to here from our current hotel. I'm tired. I'm actually hot. Got food. Food. French fry. Got me roast beef. And he got the same thing. I love the gravy that they have. I got mashed potatoes. What is going on with that plate? Like, what is...
I called it hang hand for Dutch's Royal White.
Got myself fries. Again, because I like fries. I got myself cake. So did he.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my spoon.
Oh, actually, I should do that. Now I got myself chocolate cake.
I got liquid cake.
We just got done at the buffet. It's really, it's a real shame that we can't just walk right over here and go to our hotel room. Instead we have to walk how many blocks?
8 to 10.
Oh. Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, how stuff are you?
9.5.
9.5?
Last time we came back, get the plane right here.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine eating a funnel cake right now?
No.
What would happen?
Just come right out my stomach.
Oh, I love that color.
Is that?
What is that?
I don't know. Some kind of weird.
Looks like something gonna be on your back biting you.
Yeah, it looks like someone would grow on me.
Well, for tonight. And then we have to go home tomorrow. We got back from the buffet. And the boardwalk, and my dad's super tired. I'm super tired. It's only 6:30 and I am super ready to go to sleep. However, it's only 6:30 and my dad has to take medicine at 8, so it's gonna kind of keep me up, like, and plus it's bright out. I can't sleep with like sunlight blaring in me. So yeah, guys, we're gonna just waiting until it's 8 then, so I can go to bed. I honestly kind of don't want to go home. Tomorrow, guys, I only have 20 days of summer tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're going to bed. Sorry guys, it's been really hard for me to vlog today because I've been so tired. What? Oh my god, you're like a zombie. Why are you holding your stomach? I'm missing it. I'm already missing Wildwood again. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you're brand new, and see you all in the next video. Bye.